Hey, super excited today. If you're looking for a mystery house here in Four Seasons,
Hey, this mystery is really getting mysterious.
one that we don't see a ton of, we've got one for you today. It's pre-owned, it's only a couple years old. Yeah, but let's talk about all the amazing amenities this place has first. I mean, look at this building behind us. It was supposed to be like a $4 million building. It ended up being 9 times that. Yeah, something like that. Did not do well with the budget. I didn't do well in math. It was a lot more. It was supposed to be 18 million. Mr. Exaggerator Pants over here. It was 36 million. See how quick I did that? That was good. I didn't have abacus or a calculator or nothing. I did math. I just don't know division, obviously. That's all right. So it's multiplication. But either way, it's fine. Inside, we've got a full fitness center. Yeah. We've got the ballet room. Yep. We've got indoor pool. It was. That's the best ballet pool you got. I think I have gas. We got the indoor pool. We've got the hot tub. Yeah. We've got big, huge ballroom. Tell them what goes on in that ballroom. Everything. Every holiday, there's big blowouts there. They have dinners. They have catered events. They have, what's your band? Karaoke. Lip sync, not karaoke. Not karaoke. Actually, karaoke would be fun. Yeah, I think I've done karaoke too, but lip sync. But it's a so 2-day thing, right? They had to make it over 2 days now. It's insane. The indoor pool is amazing. It's honestly hardly ever used. There's always, I've seen 2 people max in there all the time. You want to be swimming alone, doing laps? Come down to that's my lap. That's like the Olympics with it. Yeah, you could be in that. You see me in a Speedo like they went to the Olympics. Have you ever seen the guy that jumped in and retrieved the caps if your cap fell off? Oh, yeah, I did see that. Yeah. That was awesome. You could be that guy. I could be that guy. Lots of stuff. The clubs, the groups, the organizations, the schedule over here. We just did recently a video on the amenities, the schedule and the amenities. It goes on for days. Yeah. It goes on every day. And that's not even everything that we went over because they can't fit it all on one calendar. Yeah. So you have all that. But so that's just inside. Yep. Outside. And then outside, we've got pickleball. Yeah. We've got tennis. Yep. We've got a dog park. Yep. We've got a boat launching area where you don't even have to have your own boat. Yeah. You can just go in the clubhouse there. Far one. What's that storage place? They got kayaks and canoes in there. Yeah. Take one out on your own. Or maybe you do have your own. There's a launch area right there. Yeah. Now, you can't have a big gas-powered boat. No. It's not that big of a lake. Yeah. There ain't no water skiing going down there. But you go tour around. But right beside the boathouse, you'll see is the bocce court. Is it a court? Yeah, I think so. It's a court. It's a court now. Yeah, we still don't know how to play bocce. But they've got bocce if you want bocce. So bocce and the boathouse right beside each other. And even cool things out here that you don't even think about. There's a pizza oven. Mm-hmm. So they get together and come down on Friday nights and make pizzas together. Bring your own dough. Sauce it up. Yeah. Look at you. Sauce it up. You've done that before. Maybe once try. Listen, this is a great neighborhood. And then once you leave this neighborhood, Mark, what could you get to by golf cart or walking or bikes or whatever? Well, I think it depends on how big of a battery you have. Okay. In your golf cart. Like if you have one of those super duper lithium ion ones, all right, you could get all the way to our office, which is 8 miles away from here. Okay. But you can take golf cart trail the whole way. What if I only had the medium-sized batteries? The medium-sized batteries, a 10-minute golf cart ride. Yeah. And you've got Publix. Yep. You've got Chick-fil-A. Yep. You've got Starbucks. There's 2 banks in there. You've got your haircut place. Your nails do. BAMS. BAMS, brand new. Yeah, it's not BAMS. It's actually something called longer, but we can never say Larry. See, that's what happens. We can't even come close to getting the name right. So we call it BAMS. Fantastic deep dish Chicago-style pizza. And they added a outdoor pavilion so that you can eat outside there now. Yeah. They actually had to, because they were so busy, they wanted to focus on the service, they had to stop doing takeout orders. Oh, really? Because it was that busy when they were just open a couple days. That's a good problem to have. Yeah, right? And then you get your Publix and Mexican restaurants, a couple of them. That one Mexican restaurant at Agave, I think. Yes, they do tableside guacamole. It's really good. So you can get to all of that by golf cart just from here. You don't ever have to be on the roads. Once you leave this neighborhood, you're on golf cart paths the entire way until you get up to the shopping center. Yeah, and a new grocery store coming. New grocery store, Lowe's. And then Not that you need it because you got your fitness center area, but one of the largest YMCAs in the Southeast is right here. Yeah. So you've got an indoor swimming pool there. You've got, pickleball and all that stuff. Yep. The good thing about that YMCA is, let's say you're a big walker, and you like to walk even if it rains,
Right.
they've got an indoor track above the basketball.
Yeah, that's right.
So they could do laps in there.
And a big, giant Berkeley County library in the same facility.
Yeah, and you don't have to be a member to go to the library.
No, you just got to be in the county.
Yeah.
We are in Berkeley County.
Yeah. So, and there, you know, a lot of people say, hey, Mark, I don't know if I want to live in Cane Bay. You know, I've heard there's only one entrance in, one entrance out.
Wrong.
That's wrong. We've got 3 different entrances right now.
Anybody that just told you there's only one entrance, you call them up, tell them Mark and Jeff said they're a moron, and don't ever talk to them again. Unfriend them on Facebook and delete their contact information.
Yeah, 3 different entrances right now. A 4th is coming by the end of the year, I believe.
Okay.
Which is off of that back entrance. Oh yeah, Fairwinds Boulevard there. So 21 different subsections in Cane Bay. Lots of events going on. 4th of July is out of this world at the YMCA. Just so much.
Lots of fun, lots of new construction in here, but there's some great resales, and we're going to show you one of those today. Let's go check it out. Mark, Clem, got a winner here today. This is the Dorchester model.
Yes.
So this is one of those ones that they don't have
A model.
for. So I'm really excited to be able to show this one. One thing I love about this one, it's got the ensuite bathroom for the guest room.
Yeah, and the space in the back is pretty nice too, because you have some HOA space back there. So there's nobody directly behind you, kind of, but not really. Yeah.
And this is a nice big board. So you look, they've got these 2 rocking chairs here, even pulled out. You could totally put a table, a couple chairs here. What they call them, Adirondack chairs?
Oh yeah.
The lean back chairs.
The lean back Adirondack.
Lean back Adirondack, baby. So right inside the front door, I like the finish.
Yes.
We've got hard floors through all the main areas, carpet in the bedrooms on this one.
Okay.
So this is what I like about the Dorchester. This front ring here is, they've got 2 beds in here. I feel like this is a cruise ship. The cruises,
You can put them together if you want.
you could put them together if you want.
Yeah.
That's what Andrew and I do.
Yeah.
Until she kicks me. It's got a full bath here with this front bedroom. So
I like this.
Really convenient and it's got a shower.
And it's a shower instead of a tub. Yeah.
So they upgraded that because if you just come standard with just a bathtub,
I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
so they put this in. So they need some nice stuff to it.
Look how tall the doors are
You
too.
know,
They
movers,
gotta be what, 9 feet?
movers love these
Oh yeah,
houses.
yeah.
It's so easy to get through all the doors and everything so high.
Yeah. And then down this little hallway here, we have the garage entry. And then
So it's got a half bath here so that any guests that aren't staying here don't have to use that front.
oh, that's smart. Yep.
We've got a standard 2-car garage here.
Okay.
And then the office here with the double French doors. Big office space. This could totally be used as another bedroom space if you wanted to.
You could even keep the desk in there and throw a Murphy bed up. And,
I mean, look, a Murphy
Right.
bed would only come out as far as these, shelves.
bookshelves. Yeah. Yeah.
So you would be able to put a Murphy bed in there.
Yeah.
So nice office space, and then opens into a really big living room, all one space.
Before we get too far, talk about the HVAC, how it's being in air-conditioned space.
Big deal. So in lesser homes, sometimes you have the AC up in the attic.
Uh-huh.
This is South Carolina. Attic space is 100 and God knows what degrees. Having this down in conditioned space makes it so much nicer. And this is one of the, so there's just one filter in this.
Right. Because if you notice up top here, there's no filter right above your head.
Yeah,
And then, so the other filter is right there. You just pull out that little
right here.
thing.
So it looks like they've got a spare back here.
Okay.
So it's super convenient. You just pull this out and you replace one filter without having to get a ladder out for the whole house.
Love that.
But I just learned in my house what a big deal this is because I just had a $3,000 repair.
Was it 3,000? Oh, wow.
On my 3-year-old AC system because it's up in the attic.
That just makes no sense. Like,
No.
this builder learned.
Yeah, they really know they shove it.
Yeah.
So, totally big island here. You've got 4 seats around this island.
Yep.
You've got a double oven in here. You've got
True double.
a true double, yeah, because then the microwave's over here.
Okay.
No vent on this one, but they've got the gas top stove.
And I'm sure that still vents to the outside through the microwave
I
vent.
think it might just be
Right there.
I was wrong. Clem was right. What was
Can you say that one more time?
I almost second guessed you for a second.
Look, I was wrong, okay?
Why would I do such a thing? That's a shout.
Little corner pantry there, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Plenty of space there. You've got the
Pendant.
pendant lights. Thank you.
Yeah.
That word, it went away for a second.
I do that all the time. You want to go outside first or show the master? Okay.
So what I love about this, look at this. Look how big open this door space is.
Man.
Now this is not a triple slider,
But
lots of light coming in.
yeah, absolutely. And this porch is pretty big. You got like 2 separate areas right here.
And they've got the Penn State light. That's the most important thing.
The what? Oh,
This street light.
I'm looking out like
I spent a lot of time up at Penn State. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Penn State University.
probably bad stories from Penn State.
There are bad stories. There might be some alcohol-involved stories up in Penn State. So the first thing that comes to mind is there's this one place up at Penn State. If there's any Penn State people out there and you can remember what this is, put it in the comments because I can't remember the name, but there used to be a place that advertised burritos as big as your head.
Oh, okay.
And I got a pretty big melon on top of it.
Yeah.
It's pretty close.
Was it?
Yeah. It's a pretty big burrito.
I like how they have the space back here too.
That's a beautiful, look how well grown in that,
The berm.
yeah, is. You could tell we're on one of the original sections of the neighborhood. So
You know what I heard? So we had a client move in here, right down the street on the same street,
yeah,
and he has learned that this section is called the historic district
historic district
of Four Seasons. Yes.
Well, it's all in the marketing, baby. So, but you see here, so ceiling fan in place already, but then I've got 2 separate, this is big enough out here to have 2 separate zones. You've got a seating area over here with the
Yep.
state light, and then, the couches and tables over here.
And then it looks like they got the TV. If you want to put a small TV up there, you got your
And you
electric
could
and all that.
easily have a TV
Tilter.
on one of them deals that go
Yeah.
out and then tilts this way.
How
or this
smart.
way. Yeah.
That's why they put it there. But
Yeah.
the owner of this place has got to be smart.
But he's listen, Penn State light. He puts TVs in the back porches with ceiling fans. I
Yeah.
love this guy already.
Right. Right.
All right, so this one does have a fireplace. That is something that I personally like to see.
And it's a gas
It
fireplace.
is a gas fireplace. Not everybody in South Carolina does fireplaces, but that was one thing that I had to have just coming from the north. But just big open space here.
Like it.
Got the blinds in the windows. So
Yeah, that's stuff you don't think about when,
all extra expensive.
yeah, that pre-owned home already has.
$1,000 for blinds, ceiling fans, extra lights, all that stuff. So in the laundry room, which is really convenient, here's another upgrade. The house doesn't typically come with a sink in the laundry room. But lots of space in here, plenty big,
Yep.
and it's right across from the primary bedroom.
Okay, let's go there.
So it's nice to be able to just scoop right out of there. Actually, here's what I do. Get undressed, get ready, don't picture that.
Okay.
Throw it across the hall.
Oh.
Throw it across the hall.
Would you put like a little basketball net to go into
I like to play games.
Yeah.
They find cool lighting here.
Yeah, that's pretty.
So carpeting here into the bathroom, which has got the big 12 by 24 tile. Big fan of that. Very nice counter, dual vanity.
They did a good job with the selection.
Got linen closet, walk-in closet,
Okay. Throne room.
run room. Look at the shower.
They got all kinds of nozzles in there. Look at that.
So you've got the big, not overhead rain shower, but the big kind of rain shower up top, and then the wand also. And then the frameless glass door tiled all the way to the ceiling with interesting tile. We don't really see
The 12 by
a
12.
12 by 12 tile in there, but I
Yeah.
actually like it.
Yeah, it gives a little offset.
It looks good.
That, I think, is one of the transom windows.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
I'm just going to
It's not an HSW.
I've decided today I'm not second guessing you on anything. So I know you're correct. So nice house. I'm really glad we get to see this.
Because it's in Dorchester, first of all.
Just so we don't get access to these a lot.
Yeah.
So
All right.
thanks, y'all. Hey, Mark, great house. Want to put a big thanks out to Curie Roberts with Realty One Group Co-Steering, one of our favorite realtors in the market. This is her listing. She was so generous, and the owner of this house to let us in and see this today.
Yeah, I like that it's the Dorchester.
Yeah.
The bathroom up in that front room super cool so people don't have to walk through naked and stuff like that. You know, maybe you want them to walk through naked, maybe you
What
don't.
kind of people do you think are living here?
You never know. You never know what people are up to. Right?
Like a pineapple upside down in the front of the house kind of thing going on?
There's not. All right, I just want to make sure. There's an Cardinal. I love Cardinal.
Really nice house. The owners put a lot of upgrades into this. I think you can see them. The back porch is beautiful, nice and big. I like how there's 2 separate areas. You can do a table on one side, sitting area on the other, fireplace. This house has a lot to offer.
Yeah, never mind all the amenities we already talked about.
Yep.
And all that Cane Bay Plantation has to offer and what's still to come around this area.
Yep.
If you want to know more about this, down in the description, click on the link that says book a Zoom call. We would love to talk to you more about it. We can share pictures and more video if you want. We can see, is this really the neighborhood that you want to live in? Or is it maybe something else? But we'll find out what your lifestyle that you want to live is and then try to match it to the budget that you want to pay.
If you want to do us a favor, we really appreciate it. It absolutely helps us out. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. That way you'll be notified every time we do a new video. And pay attention on Tuesday nights at 7 p.m. We're doing a live every Tuesday, answering all your questions about everything real estate in Charleston, Summerville. Thanks so much for watching.
See ya.
See y'all.